피난 열차에서 헤어졌습니다.
피난 열차에서 내려
이게 열차에서 헤어졌다고 합니다.
열차 안에서 헤어졌다고 합니다.
The publishers contacted me to illustrate a book about the Korean War. And because I am Korean, this subject is very special to me. My name is Soentpiet, and for the past 22 years, I have been an author and illustrator of children's books. Because there was not enough room inside the train, the rest of the people had to ride on top of the train, and it was very dangerous. This little boy had to say goodbye to his father because his father felt that he had a duty to his country and joined the South Korean army and helped the South Koreans. So he left his family on top of the train. So he had to say goodbye on the top of the train. I remember vividly seeing just faces everywhere because I was crying so much that it was foggy, but I saw foggy faces. It's the loss and leaving a homeland. And so I knew a lot about that. So that's what drew me into this story. So when he said goodbye, I get very emotional when I see this scene. Now that decision is very, very heroic, I would say, but at the same time, extremely sad because he has to leave his family knowing he may not come back from the war. And unfortunately, he did not come back from the war. So he put his life on the line and sacrificed his life so that Korea can be another step up. And I knew someday I wanted to be reunited with them. And that is really what the message I want to have is hope. Hope that one day you will meet your loved ones. You will meet the person that you left behind.